and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and today we are going to be going over all of the single letter sounds, okay? The sounds that they make. So just a little quick recap, a quick refresher, okay? Obviously we have the capital letters and the lowercase letters for each of the letters. So let's go for them all again. Say it with me at home. Ah, ah, ah. So a word could be apple, apple, apple. Okay, next one is b, 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 b. A word could be bring, bring, bring. Okay, next one is okay, a word could be cat, cat, cat. Okay, next one is this one. D, 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 d. Okay, maybe bed, bed. The bed is comfortable. Next one over here is word could be egg, egg. Okay, next one we have is well done. Okay, word could be fine, fine. Okay, super. Next one is g, 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 g. Well done. Word could be garden, garden. Okay, next one is h. A word could be hard, hard. Okay, next one here is I. Okay, word could be ill, ill. Okay, next one here. In red we've got j. Word could be jug, jug. Okay, next one we have, again, same as this one. Okay, well done. A word could be king, king. Okay, next one we have l. Okay, word could be lamp, lamp. Okay, next one we have here is a word could be maid, maid. Okay, this one here, a word could be no. Okay, next one, a word could be octopus, octopus. Okay, next one here we have is a word could be pet, pet. Okay, next one over here. Now this letter needs the help of another letter. This letter here needs this help to make the sound, okay? So it needs a sound to make the qu sound, qu. Okay, the queen, queen. So this letter, the Q letter, needs the a letter to make the qu sound, okay? So it needs a little bit of help. Okay, next one, r. Okay, run could be could be a word. Run. Next one, sad could be a word. Sad. Okay, next one, Word could be Tom. Tom. Okay, this one here is Word could be sun. Sun. Okay, this one. V. Okay, v. Word could be van. Van. Okay, this one here. Wet. Wet. Okay, this one. Fox. Fox. Super. Okay, this one is in yellow. Yellow. And finally we have here is z. Well done. Word could be Sue. Okay, let's say it all again one more time. Say it with me. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z. Okay, and remembering that some of them are vowel sounds, okay, like the a is a vowel sound, the e is a vowel sound, I is a vowel sound, o is a vowel sound, and is a vowel sound. The rest of them are consonant letters and sounds. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Please remember to leave a like on the video, like the video, and remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.